Text neck is generally an overuse condition that is brought on by repetitive bending and forward carriage of your head. Oftentimes for those people who use devices on public transport. Now, here's a tip for those people who use public transport regularly and want to ensure that they don't get text neck, because it can cause neck pain, shoulder pain, numbness and tingling, pins and needles in the arms. One way of actually preventing that from happening is to raise the device up a little bit higher, ensuring that your head is not as far forward and spine is more upright. Now, the thing about it is, to prevent people from looking at your Instagram feed or the YouTube video that you're watching, you can ensure that it's below your shoulders. That way, you're still got your head back and straight, and you're not showing all of your privates to the whole world. So keep that in mind. And if you know people who are using their phones regularly, or even their tablets, and suffering from neck stiffness or tightness or numbness or tingling in the arms, get them to give us a call on 9394 8888, and we can love to help them out. This is Dr. Alfie from Chiropractic Health and Wellness Center, giving you another health tip for you to use. Have a wonderful day. Take care.